Today we're going to organize my beach bag using my Cricut Joy. Hey guys, today we're going to organize our beach bag. I know summer's upon us, lots of us are taking trips to the pool or to the beach, and I thought it would be a great time to show you my favorite way to organize my Bogg bag. I am going to use these nylon baggies. Let me show you what they look like. These are also really great for storing board games, puzzles, card games, and more. And they come in a variety of sizes and a variety of colors, and they are going to be perfect for us to label and organize our bags. So let's do it. The very first thing we're going to do is plug in the Cricut Joy. I love this little machine because it can connect wirelessly to the Cricut Design Studio using your phone, your tablet, or your desktop computer. It is so convenient and so quick and easy to set up. I also love that it can use smart materials, which allow you to cut directly on the material without a mat, which makes it so convenient. So let's go ahead and get started. For this project, I selected this little pack of assorted smart vinyl. It has all these fun colors, and I think they're going to be great to stand out against the nylon pouches. All right, we're going to jump right into the Cricut Design Studio, and I'm going to open a brand new project. I'm going to select the text box and then select the font, and for this one I will put the font name in the description box down below so that you can find it yourself. I'm going to resize it to the size that I need, and then I'm going to create a second text box for the word goggles. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to select the sizing. You can even adjust the space between the letters and the lines as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and click next, and I'm going to select without a mat. Because I'm using the smart materials, I don't need a mat, which is so convenient. Then I'm going to select the material. I'm going to load it into the machine. Now that our material is loaded into the machine, I'm going to go ahead and click go. The machine's going to start cutting, and I'm going to speed up the clip here so we can get to the good part. Next up, we're going to trim the excess material. There we go. The next step now is to remove the negative space, which is called weeding. I use this little tool, which looks kind of like a dental pick, to gently remove the negative space on the design. And then very carefully, especially with the design that may have some little curls and such, just remove that negative space. There we go, looking good. Now we're gonna grab our transfer tape. Now comes the fun part. You're going to put your transfer tape directly onto your design. Take your little smoothing tool and smooth. You're going to want to make sure that you push hard so that those letters really stick to the transfer tape so that they're easy to remove from the backing. Now we're going to see if the letters are ready to come off of the backing. I kind of tend to pull away at an angle, and you can see the letters just lifting right off. And there we go. All right, now we're going to grab our nylon bag and apply the label. I'm gonna center it directly on the pouch and then press firmly. And you're just gonna press over the top of the design. Make sure it affixes really nicely to the pouch. And then you're ready to remove the transfer tape. All I do is simply grab it from the corner and then peel at an angle to make sure that those letters don't come up as I'm removing it. And I am no professional crafter, I am just a hobbyist. With the Joy, you can make cards with it, you can make t-shirts with it. Gosh, the options are just absolutely endless. And as we pull the transfer tape off of this last letter, the transfer tape is reusable. So you can put it back on the backing and reuse it for your next project. And there we go. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? How adorable is this? Perfect to organize your beach bag or pool bag this summer. So this is what the final product looks like. It's so helpful just to stay organized while you're out and about, especially with kiddos in tow. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, you'll definitely like this other video about the Cricut right here. Be sure to go check that out. I'll see you there.